see something very clearly. If you understand this Germany timeline once, you can use it every year. But if you miss this 1 month in the whole process, your entire intake can shift by 1 year. If you start your preparation for Germany today, you can still be in Germany by September 2026. But only if you start with right steps immediately. Most students lose Germany admissions because they start with the wrong step first. So here is the real starting point. As we are speaking, today is March. If you follow this roadmap, you can realistically reach Germany by September. The first thing you do is check your university recognition on Anabin. This is very important. Check whether your university is officially recognized or not. German universities really want to know that. If your university status is H+ or H+ minus on Anabin, then it's fine. If you skip this step, your APS process gets delayed. Once this is clear to you, apply immediately for APS. Do not wait for anything else. APS at times runs slowly, so it's a must that you start very early. While APS is processing, you do two things in parallel. First is prepare for your language tests. Prepare for IELTS or TOEFL, and also prepare for your German language. Second is start researching about the universities and your courses. Do not rush here. Even don't copy paste list from the internet or apply to the same universities everyone else is applying to. Look at the course requirement. Check the credit requirement as per your subject. Check whether your bachelor degree matches the master's degree that you want to go in or not. Once you understand this, you create the university shortlisting list. Usually 10 to 12 universities are good. Now you also know exactly which documents are required. Your transcript, CV, motivation letter, language certificate and APS certificate. This is when your preparation becomes real. Next step is preparing the documents carefully. After that you start applying to the universities. Some universities accept application through UniAssist, some applications through the portal. So your application will go through different system and this is very normal in Germany. If you follow this structure and the step-by-step process, becomes much easier. The key idea is simple. APS is running in the background. Language preparation is happening. University research is already happening. Everything moves forward together. Here is the interesting part. Once these 2 months are done correctly, rest of the Germany process becomes much easier. Let me show you what happens next, and we divide it month-wise. April, the applications open. Now the real process begins. Most universities open their application around this time. Some through UniAssist and some through their own portals. You upload your documents, you submit the application and then you wait. This stage requires patience because evaluation takes time. Germany is not fast, it's fair. May, follow-up and backup. This month is about control. You check if universities ask for some extra documents. Sometimes they ask for additional proof. Sometimes they ask for some clarification. Students who ignore these mail lose their admission. So this month is about staying alert. At the same time, you prepare your backup plan. Maybe 1 or 2 universities you add more and apply to them as well in order to increase your chances of getting an admit. June, admission decision. This is the most exciting month. Many students start receiving admission letters, some earlier and sometimes it's later. And once you receive an admit, the next step begins immediately. That's your visa preparation. So July month is for your visa and gathering finances. Now you have opened your block account. Currently the amount is 11,904 euros. You arrange for your health insurance, your documents and your visa appointments. If your documents are clean, the visa process becomes smooth. Then comes August. Now things start feeling real. You search about accommodation, you prepare your travel documents, you connect with the student communities in Germany, and slowly your plan becomes a reality. September, flight to Germany. And now imagine this moment. You started planning months ago, one step at a time, and now you're boarding into a flight. The destination is Germany. Classes start in the month of September or October, and suddenly all those small steps make sense. If you look at the whole process, it feels big and unreal. But if you look at it month by month, it's manageable. One step, then next, and then next. That is how students reach Germany. If this roadmap helped you, save this video, because when you actually start the process, you'll come back and you want to know the steps once again. And if you know someone who's thinking about Germany for 2026, share with them. Sometimes the right timeline can save an entire year.